This industry's broken. Homeowners drown in debt. Contractors chase paychecks. Agents grind for commissions that barely last a month. HEIA fixes all three with one contract that finally pays the people who create the value. Everyone feels it. Too much risk, too little trust, no shared upside. The contractor bleeds cash. The homeowner worries about cost. The agent tries to hold it all together. We build the value, but somebody else always owns it. HEIA is for three people: the contractor who builds it, the homeowner who owns it, and the professional who moves it. Together, they stop competing and start compounding. HEIA, the Home Equity Invoice Agreement, connects the people who create value with the wealth they create. One transparent contract where craftsmanship, ownership, and appreciation finally meet. This isn't about loans or commissions. It's about alignment, building together, earning together, owning together. That's the HEIA movement, where everyone wins because everyone owns. My father built homes he never owned. He gave his life to other people's dreams. HEIA finally lets builders keep a piece of what they create. If you build the wealth, you deserve to share it. HEIA turns construction work into ownership, real equity that grows with every project. The old system bleeds contractors dry. Delays, excuses, endless chasing for payment. Think of HEIA as a new language of value, where skill becomes an asset, not an expense. HEIA converts your invoice into equity, your work recorded, secured, and tied directly to the property's value. Every hour you put in builds your portfolio. You're not just finishing a job, you're acquiring a piece of real estate. When property value rises, so does your stake. HEIA measures that increase and pays you through appreciation. Forget chasing checks. Your share is secured in the equity. When the home sells, you get paid automatically. Your pay is linked to the property, not a promise. The deal is recorded, enforced, and protected. Each project adds to your holdings. That's not a paycheck. It's a portfolio of properties you help build. Cash pays once and disappears. Equity pays again and again. Same work, different outcome. For decades, contractors watched others own the assets they created. Now, the path to real estate ownership runs through your own work. While you're on the next project, your previous ones keep compounding. That's passive income built by skill. Thousands of tradesmen are shifting from laborers to stakeholders. HEIA makes the workforce the wealth force. HEIA is for builders ready to stop renting their skill and start owning their results. You don't just build property, you build wealth. No interest, no monthly strain. The cost waits until you choose to sell or refinance. HEIA makes upgrades possible today, not someday, by unlocking value already sitting inside your walls. When the home appreciates, both owner and builder share in the upside. Alignment replaces tension. Every number is verified, every share recorded. HEIA protects both sides through complete transparency. A $30 K renovation adds $50K in value. Instead of paying interest, you share $20K of new equity. Real improvement, zero debt. You decide when to unlock your share. Sell now, hold longer, or reinvest. You're in control. No stress, no sleepless nights over payments, just peace of mind knowing your home is working for you. HEIA revitalizes neighborhoods. When one home upgrades, value lifts for everyone. Each project compounds into higher neighborhood value. The equity you unlock today fuels tomorrow's appreciation. Smart homeowners use equity strategically, growing wealth through improvement, not borrowing. HEIA is for homeowners who refuse debt but still want progress. People ready to grow wealth through partnership, not payments. For agents and investors, real estate's biggest gap has always been liquidity. HEIA bridges that gap between equity, service, and speed. Agents juggle buyers, sellers, and contractors with no leverage over what actually gets done. That ends now. HEIA gives professionals a single point of connection, uniting everyone who builds, owns, and transacts value. Your value as an agent is your network. HEIA multiplies that network by giving your contractors and clients a shared incentive. Listings sell faster when they look better. With HEIA, upgrades happen before listing, without cash up front. HEIA shortens turnaround time. Homes move to market faster because financing no longer stalls the process. The same improvements that boost appeal also raise equity. You help clients profit on both sides of the transaction. Investors lose margin to interest, loan fees, and waiting. HEIA lets them deploy capital as performance equity instead. Capital stays working longer. Every invested dollar converts into tangible equity, not debt service. Risk drops when partners are aligned. With HEIA, no one's waiting to get paid. They're all invested to deliver. One investor can scale across dozens of projects because every deal compounds equity instead of draining cash. Agents who understand HEIA dominate listings because they offer solutions that make sellers and buyers richer together. Contractors earn ownership. Homeowners gain upgrades. Professionals move inventory. HEIA completes the prosperity loop. Imagine a market where every worker, owner, and agent shares in the upside. That's not a dream, it's the new model. HEIA is for builders, owners, and movers of real estate wealth. Together we build, together we earn, together we own. Let's bring it home. HEIA exists for everyone who's been squeezed by the system. Contractors, homeowners, and real estate pros. Contractors know the pain. Late payments, bad clients, no leverage. Every build's a risk, and the reward ends when the check clears. HEIA turns invoices into ownership. Your work builds equity, not anxiety. You build once and get paid again when value rises. Homeowners feel the pressure too. Dream projects on hold, debt mounting, banks tightening credit. Progress feels impossible. HEIA unlocks your equity. No loans, no monthly payments. Just partnership and shared appreciation when your home grows in value. Agents and investors struggle too. Slow turns, stalled listings, deals that die because funding isn't ready. HEIA is for contractors who want ownership, homeowners who want freedom, and professionals who want growth. Together we build, together we earn, together we own. With HEIA, agents move properties faster. Investors see real returns without extra risk. Every deal creates value on all sides. This is the power of alignment. No conflict, no middlemen, just shared prosperity through equity and trust. The industry changes when builders, owners, and agents share value. HEIA turns competition into collaboration. HEIA is for contractors who want ownership, homeowners who want freedom, and professionals who want growth. Together we build, together we earn, together we own.
Build wealth, not just houses.